Meaning of Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was an English mathematician, physicist, and astronomer who was widely recognized as one of the most influential scientists in history. He is best known for his laws of motion and universal gravitation, which formed the basis of modern physics. Newton also made significant contributions to the field of mathematics, including the development of calculus. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for the scientific revolution and has had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe.